Welcome to JG Basic English.
Oh, I am finally home. What a long day. What is this?
Surprise!
Wow, is that for me?
Yes, of course, this is for you. This is a heart balloon. It is red because red is the color of love.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
And these are flowers. I know you love flowers.
They are lovely. What kind of flowers are they?
They are orchids, white orchids with purple details.
They smell amazing.
And a card.
Can I read it now?
Yes, please. Dear Anna, you make my life happy. You make me smile every day. Thank you for being kind, sweet, and patient. Love, Lucas.
Lucas, this is so sweet.
Do you like it?
I love it.
How was your day?
It was very busy. I had many meetings. I was stressed.
I'm sorry. That's why I wanted to surprise you.
You really made my day better.
That makes me happy.
Did you prepare everything today?
Yes, I bought the flowers this morning. I chose the balloon this afternoon, and I wrote the card before you arrived.
You planned everything.
Yes, because you are special to me.
Wait here. I have something for you.
What is this?
Open it.
Wow, chocolates.
Your favorite.
Thank you, Anna. I love you.
Thanks for watching.